Tired of your crypto sitting idle and ready to cash out your Gadadex profits? Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to transfer funds directly from Gadadex to your bank account. So let's dive right in. First up, make sure your Gadadex account is fully verified. As this is crucial for withdrawals, head over to your profile section in the app and look for the verification status. You'll need to have completed all the required identity checks. This usually includes submitting your ID and proof of address. Now, navigate to your Gadadex wallet, identify the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw, tap on it, and then select the withdraw option. Gadadex might support multiple currencies, so choose the one related to the funds to be transferred. You'll now see a screen where you can choose your withdrawal method. Select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add it by providing your bank details, like your account number and routing number. After selecting this method, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw from Gadadex. Double-check the amount before proceeding. Before finalizing the transaction, carefully review the withdrawal details, including any associated fees which Gadadex will display, and the estimated arrival time of the funds. And finally, confirm the withdrawal. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank and Gadadex's policies. And that's it. Transferring your funds from Gadadex to your bank account is a straightforward process. Remember to always double-check your details and be aware of any fees. Be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto guides and tips.